down. It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. I'm coming home. It's a holiday, Britain can't hold me now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. The wine cake set a record. Red label wine, sorry, I go sell off. Paint up the place, whitewash the side.
Okay, so I just heard them call my name. So I have to hurry up. And oh shit. Excuse me. Is that 8? Oh, oops. That's 7. Yeah, I just walked right past my gate. It's daisies. Oopsie daisies. I think they're boarding. I don't think they're boarding.
I know it. Thing is not working. I'll check it.
Alright guys, so I am at my gate from Florida. At this point I think you guys have seen a lot of my B-roll outside of the plane. I don't board until 11 o'clock, which is an hour from now. So I'm watching Terrace House.
Do not leave vehicles unattended on the curb. Unattended vehicles will be promptly ticketed and towed at the owner's expense.
There's other people here. The people for LA are lining up for their flight.
If you see something, say something. Report suspicious activity to the...
And this is let's continue with Group A. Group A are customers, clusters, and even more spaces for Flight 701 with service.
Okay guys, so I'm really trying hard at this vlogging thing. I have multiple opportunities where I need to vlog and I don't, so I'm vlogging. But I'm boarding from Fort Lauderdale to... Hi, the check bag?
Sorry?
The check?
Yes.
Yeah. Boy. Sorry, you have to push it hard. Cause, yeah. Have a good day. Alright, so now we're going on to the plane. And I see some people are topic good luck, you know. I'm gonna sit down because I don't want to record anybody and, you know, stuff like that. And then I'll talk to you guys.
Seatbelt fastened, leaving all personal items secured until we arrive at the gate, and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful opening overhead bins. Items may have shifted in flight. If you received a ticket that says claim at gate, you can pick up your items outside the boarding door. If you need assistance getting off the aircraft, please stay seated so we can further assist you. For information on baggage claim.
You never sit down with the suitcase in the sun. But I'm gonna leave the suitcase. But anyways, I've reached home. I just gotta go through customs. I'm gonna dig up my bag. And then what else? Yeah, go through customs. Oh my god. I have to tell them that I need the discount basically because I ship a barrel and a TV and I need to have that. So I'm here. Hopefully it goes by smoothly. Let me take out my passport. Guys, you don't understand how happy I am to be home. I'm just happy. Not even gonna bash the country. I'm just excited to be home, to eat some chicken, some KFC, some juicy beef. That's outside. And that's the customs, which I have to turn off my camera for. Some local friend I'm gonna meet. Not my friend, just speaking lightly. Anyways, yeah. I'm so excited. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off now because I don't want to hear them voice. Okay, so guys, I'm outside. I went to customs and hold on, I'm gonna use up the Wi-Fi real quick. But my mouth is sweating already. But this is what outside look like. I'm gonna use up the Wi-Fi real quick. Look at Dara. Dara's traveling today, like I said. Anyways, I gotta go. Gotta go. Okay, so I've decided to come out in the sun. You can probably see me much better. Well, not much better, but the lighting is much better out here on me. I'm waiting for Jonardo. He said he saw me. I'm gonna see him. But anyway, this is what it looks like out here. Alright, I'm really gone this time because I don't really have much battery or storage on this chip and I need to save it. So when I upload it, then I can start the more. Okay guys, finally in some AC. Thank you for coming to pick me up. The boy I blush. You're probably like dark in here. No, it's alright. Okay, so my cousin told me that I have to start introducing people. So this is Jonardo.
Yeah, wrong idea cause the game, man.
Yeah. Oh, this up. She say, I'm flying here. Again, him stuck, him get stuck.
Why?
Oh
man gets stuck.
You want me to drive?
Nah, I'm quite fine.
Wow. You don't trust me?
Yeah, foreign drive, man.
No, I'm a drive at Jamaica when I was here. You know this?
What?
Wow. Anyways, so we're on our way to my grandparents and stuff. Aww, really come pick me up.
I'm not getting no barbecue.
Thank you. I'm not gonna be picky or nothing. Like I'm KFC. But I tell you, the first thing I was gonna eat was KFC. Thank you. Yo. So when we go to the beach, let the vlog know when we're going to Spanish Bridge this weekend.
Yeah, I can't take the camera. Just excuse me, I said that.
You have to start being more natural with the camera now because it's gonna always be here. I'm doing Vlogmas. I have to vlog every day, every week.
Yeah, vlog each month.
No. Alright, yeah, vlog. tastes good, guys. I was watching a YouTube video where the girl said Trinidad KFC better than Jamaica KFC. I'm gonna usually comment on video, but I had to comment and set her straight. I know Jamaica should come and taste it and talk, well, yes, this verifies that Trinidad KFC is better. I'm like, excuse you? Wrong person I thought. Alright, yeah. Why you talk when you don't like the vlogging thing?
But that's something to vlog.
That's something to vlog? You don't like when the camera is on you? Is this the Baja Grand Principe or whatever? Jewel Grande, is that what this one is? I don't think I've been to an actual like a resort hotel in a long time. Like a resort hotel, not like no regular town hotel. Yeah.
What were you saying?
Just that I haven't been to no resort hotel in a long time. Like years. These are my cousins. I'm not up on YouTube. These are my cousins, Pops and Kevin.
No.
We're gonna go buy credit because my SIM from earlier this year and I have no credit. Lord God, what am I walking, you know? Alright. So yeah. We're gonna go buy credit. So grandma's shoes big. Huh? Shoes? You have to talk to mommy about that.
Ready.
Over here, so we go buy credit? Alright guys, it got really dark. Well, it didn't get really dark, but it got darker than what you just saw. And my cousin them ditched me. So I'm heading back home. What you see in the background is some concrete to build. But make my hurry up. Laws neat. Oh no, I don't like bullfrogs. I don't like bullfrogs. Alright, I reached home.
S playing on the track.